I am standing in front of my beloved Yoderbilt greenhouse that was delivered to me at the end of last December. And you probably saw a post or 2 or 10 on all of that process and the delivery and a lot of the stuff since then. It's been the best spring and summer I've ever had with my seed starting and seedlings. And it's been so much fun to have the greenhouse. I love it so much and I can't say enough good things about it. But I'm telling you this right now, I'm doing this video to let you know that I got an email from Yoderbilt. I'm on their mailing list, and they put out an announcement last week that they're gonna have a price increase on their greenhouses and their chicken coops. And it's as of September 1st. So if you've been thinking about getting a Yoderbilt greenhouse, this would definitely be a good time to do it. If it's on your not too distant future radar, definitely make contact with them. Call them up, email them, whatever, at yoderbilt.com, yoderbilt.com. And introduce yourself and maybe make a reservation or get on the waiting list. I don't know the details of that, but I do know September 1st is an important date for the price increase. And I don't know what that's gonna be, but I wanted you to know about it. The other thing I wanted to tell you is that they have recently expanded their delivery zones, which is huge news because up until now, they've been limited on how far out they can go from their headquarters in Mansfield, Arkansas. But they've rectified that temporarily, at least according to the email, and they are now able to go into parts of the following states: Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Ohio, Mississippi, North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, and West Virginia. So that is big news. And if you are in any of those states, you now may be in their delivery area. So that's another reason to get in touch with them as soon as you can, especially before September 1st, and see what you can find out. Get your questions answered and let them know you're interested and see where that goes. I just love my greenhouse so much, and I want everybody to experience what I have with a Yoderbilt greenhouse if you're thinking about it. This is not a paid endorsement. I'm just a very happy customer, and I want you to be as well. And now would be a great time to get in touch with them, and I hope that you do.